Hi again, it's Johnny from Balloons Delivered Las Vegas, and I just delivered some beautiful number balloons to a special guest at the beautiful hotel in Las Vegas. I just want to show you how it comes to you and what you need to do to make it wonderful. First of all, it's going to come clipped up like this. It's going to have a bag on the weights. It's going to have two clips here. This is for your bellman so he doesn't tangle it on the way to your room. Now it's in your room, we want it to look really, really good. So first thing we're going to do is we'll put it up a little higher, just easier to deal with. And we're going to take our fingernail and we're going to pop the clip. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to take it and lift out the bag. The bag keeps it from tangling. The third thing we're going to do is take this little clip off the bottom. Alright, and sometimes it gets stuck a little bit, but it's off. Next, the lines are a little bit tangled, even though we put it in the bag, so we just twist them around each other until we're separated. Once we're separated, guess how old we are? We're 50! But wait, the 5 is not perfect. We need to make a fix. Now the fix we're going to do on this one, I'm over here, is, wait, here it is, a straw. Just like you get in any hotel, casino, and Burger King, and fast food. I don't care what straw it is, a straw. We're going to go, and every balloon has a valve. And we tie below the valve so that the valve never gets cut off, so you can always add more air or helium. Now in this situation, the room is really cold. It was 105 degrees outside when I took the balloons here. But now the room is 75 degrees. The laws of science say that balloons shrink in cold. So we need to make this a little better. When this gets to your room, wait 5 minutes to do this, because sometimes it acclimates and it won't need it. But you take a regular drinking straw. This is a valve. On the gold you can see it really easy. There's a little silver circle here where we fill it up with helium usually. Instead we're going to take a drinking straw. We're going to put it right in the little slot, and we're going to hold it straight out like this. Now I'm going to blow into it. So now it looks perfect. Now, take your number 50, put it anywhere you want. Put it against the wall, you can put it against the window, anywhere you want in the room, and surprise your special someone. Again, this is Johnny, Balloons Delivered Las Vegas.